What if before you ever hammered in a nail, drove in a screw, or cut a hole, you could see what's behind the wall? The Walabot works beautifully with 1/2 inch drywall material, gypsum board. Here's Romex wire that's hanging down. Here's a piece of metal conduit. This is PEX pipe, and it actually has water in it to emulate the density. And then of course you have just the standard wood stud and the steel stud here. You can see different things that we've got here. For instance, we have a wood stud, and so you'll see a stud come into range right there. Over here, we have a steel stud, and you'll see pictorial representation of a gray bar. Now let's see, does it pick up that water line? So now you have a purple water line representations. Let's go over to the steel conduit. Okay, so now it's seeing that object. Okay, now you've seen how it works. If you want to get one of these, you can simply go to walabot.com.